Hello everyone. Welcome back to a new episode on Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you're all doing well, and today's recipe is snoring sounds. I had 200 grams of minced meat left, and when I weighed it, I decided to make this potato recipe with it, and I wanted to share it with you, so here is my pot. I'll add a little oil and turn on the heat. Here I have one onion that is medium in size, not too small and not too large. I'll let it soak until it's nicely softened. I'll be right back. Once the onion has softened a little, I'll add 2 garlic cloves. I'll saute them together with the onion. Now I'm adding 2 tomatoes, a little water, and half a teaspoon of tomato paste, although you can skip it if you prefer, without affecting the recipe. Here I have 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro and parsley. For the spices, I'm using half a teaspoon of ginger, salt to taste, and half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 level teaspoon of paprika, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin because mine is freshly ground and very strong. But if you're using regular cumin, use half a teaspoon instead. Now I'll add all these ingredients. Then I'll mix everything well. I'm using small potatoes, so I added about 6 or 7. But if you're using large potatoes, 3 will be enough. I'll arrange them like this and continue. Now I'll add about half a glass of water, but don't add too much. The water should just reach the potatoes, and the heat should stay low. Next I'm adding olives that I've washed well. You can use either green or red olives, whichever you have. Now I'm adding the 200 grams of seasoned meatballs that I shaped earlier. I'll leave the seasoning ingredients in the description. This was simply the minced meat I had left from another recipe, so I decided to use it for this dish and share it with you. Now I'll cover the tagine, or the pot, and let everything cook until the potatoes and meatballs are done. The tagine is now ready, and the potatoes are perfectly cooked. The meatballs are fully cooked too. I'll finish by sprinkling a little chopped parsley on top. This is our finished tagine, and I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more recipes.